And we're back. I'm sure you're excited. Well, we've got our Save-A-Lot store brand cheese and our IKEA store brand grater. Let's see if this thing does a great job or if it's just an also-ran. Never actually used a cheese grater before, so bear with me. I don't think it's really that hard a concept. I like that so much, I'm going to do a little more. And what do you know? Now for the exciting big reveal. And we have big pieces of grated cheese inside our grater. Ooh. Alright, now I'll grab the other lid and let's see if we can add some small pieces of grated cheese to our grater. And let's see here. Now, let's see, it makes really small little curls. I would like to, if it was a little bit more in between the two sizes, but you know what? For $5, it's not too bad. Anyways, this has been the IKEA CHOSIGT, or whatever the heck you want to call it, cheese grater. As you can see, we can actually put the lid on it, and that'll be enough cheese to last me for several baked potatoes. Have a good day. Oh, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.